Hey, I'm Kenneth WAJDA. I'm a professional photographer here in Colorado. Welcome to another one of my photo chats. So today we'll talk about, there's a little case, there's a little iPad, and there's a little SD card reader that plugs into this. And this has changed the way I work. If I want to go out and photograph street, I can take the Leica with the 50 Summilux I talked about a couple weeks ago. I can take that camera and this, and a very, very small package, I have an editor. Because on this iPad, because I teach at a school, I get a Adobe Creative Suite account. And on this iPad, which looks like it's not powering on, it's probably dead. Or it's just probably turned off because I saved the batteries. I have Lightroom and I have Photoshop. And I never really wanted to use Lightroom on an iPad. I always said it's kind of silly. Why would I do that when I can come home and work in my studio and make it on a big monitor and check and see what I have, make sure I have what I want. I don't want to edit photos on my phone. Why would I want to edit on an iPad? Well, it turns out, since I already have this account, I already have this access to these programs, I loaded on the iPad Lightroom, and Lightroom works really well. And I can make a photo of that woman that was sitting at that cafe that I talked about last time. I can make that photo, and I can pull the card out, put it right into the iPad, and just immediately work on it. And if I want to, I can export it and post it somewhere if I'm looking to share it right away. There's something very immediate about it's not using a phone to share, but it's able to use a camera and not have to bring a computer, not have to wait till I get back to my studio. I typically want everything in my studio computer, so I'll probably still re-import everything I put into the iPad into my studio computer, but I have a way to now work on the road. I can literally see something, work it, and put it right in front of me. Even in my car, if I was driving somewhere and I saw something, I could literally go take a look at it, and I could work on it, I could tone it. And that's a freeing experience to have a simple way with a simple SD card reader to a lightning connector. That's what this iPad uses. It's a little bit older, I think. And that's what works. I don't think you need the latest and greatest iPad. You need one that can work with Lightroom. But if you have the Creative Suite, you can download those programs onto your iPad. I think they're included. It was for me. And it's one of those things where it gives us that mobility that phone users like, of being able to photograph something and share it right away. Well, we can do that. And that iPad, I could do it with a laptop, but the laptop feels a lot more cumbersome. This feels simple. I can lay it on a coffee table in front of me, or on a table in a coffee shop where I'm sitting right in front of me, and I can slowly work it and get a photo in there without it being like I'm opening up a computer and going to work for the day. There's something small about it, the fact that I can get a case and fit this camera and this iPad in one small case, and I'm ready to go. I like the simplicity of that. I could do it with a Nikon as well. I shoot a lot of street with a Nikon. I could do it with any digital camera, but you know, the goal is making a way to not have to finish when you're back, but being able to say, I just photographed something out the window right now. I just want to see it right now, and I can. I can pull over, pull it into Lightroom, pull it into Photoshop on my iPad, and it's an instant result, instant delivery. I like that. So maybe it'd be something that you already do. Maybe it's something that you could access. But if you have the Creative Suite, if you already subscribe, it's included. You can get that and add that to your iPad and make it a portable system that goes with you everywhere. All right, that's today's photography talk. Hey, if you're enjoying these, hit the subscribe button. If you can support, hit the Patreon. Thanks to all my supporters. I appreciate you. I'll be back next week. We'll talk more photography. As always, here's a good light.